This is it. Here goes. Right, I'm going to show you all about All4 feet and how to basically record to start with. When you give you a bit of a trial and a demo and whatever. So this icon is for your cloud. We can go onto that later if you want to, but at the moment we want to start recording on farm like you're going to always do every day of the week, except for Sundays, I hope. You've got these icons here. That's your foot recording one, right? You've also got your mobility scoring, your freeze brander, and your routine planner. Mobility scoring, freeze brander and routine planner, have a play about with afterwards, see what you think. You don't have to use them, but what you want to do now is record on farm, so tap on here. Right, to start with, you've got your farms, that's that icon there, and then you've got your reports. Now in the reports, you've got some that are going to be in history, so if you click up here and click on there, you can see all the farms you've done in the past. But leave it off, that'll only show you the ones that aren't showing, and that's your EID if you want to use it. Here are reports that come down for the cloud. These are the reports you sent up to the cloud. These are the ones ready to transfer, and these are the ones you haven't selected to transfer yet. Don't worry, you'll understand that more as you go on. So let's go and get onto the farm now and start recording. Let's find the customer first. As you see, you've got them all down here. You could have a lot more than me. Anyway, we're going to go to Mr. Bradshaw to start with. And that's it. Now these are all his details that have been put onto the cloud. They're on the tablet, but they're only there for reference. You can't change them on the tablet. They're just there. So we're going to start recording. Click on there. Yes, I want to start recording. Yes, please. And away to go. This is my foot map. Now this is how the industry see a foot on data. Now I want to turn it around to see how I see it when I'm trimming. So I turn it to, I'm on an upright shoot, so I turn it to there. And that's it. I'm happy to start. This is my desktop on my tablet. This is what I see all day in front of me when I'm trimming cows. So first of all, you've got up here, that's going to be my freeze brand number or your ear tag number, and that is there is my EID number. My feet, how many cows I've done, how many feet I've done, how many bandages, how many blocks, how many bulls feed, and how many treatments I've charged for. I don't charge for treatments, but it's there. We've also got a printer icon, and we've got an invoicing icon as well. That's to just transfer them up to the cloud. Later on, I'll show you how that works. Here's my keypad. So first of all, put my first cow in, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. If you want to put pedigree names in, tap on there and you can put them in BU. But we don't want to use that, so we'll just clear that out and get rid of the dashboard, which is down there on the right. Right now, as you can see, we've got it to all 4 feet. They're orange, all 4 feet. Now I'm going to take the front ones out, so now I'm only trimming the back ones. You can see the 2 back ones, the recorded ones that I'm going to record. Actually, I'm going to just trim the back right foot. So that's the only foot I'm trimming on this cow and charging for. I'm going to save it here and click. And as you can see now, we've got 1 cow, 1 foot. So now let's go on to the next cow, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do just the back feet. Now she's got a sole ulcer, make believe, on a back left foot. I'm going to put a block on it, a bandage on it, a few comments as well. So I'll click on there. And then I go to the foot that the problem is. So it was on the back left. These are across the top, some of the icons we can add to it. But there, I'm going to click on the back left foot. Click there to start with. Then I always go down to the zone where the issue is. So I'm going to click on zone 4 where I find sole ulcers. As you can see, they're there. There's sole ulcers there. And other bits and pieces, whatever you want to put down, you can select from. But anyhow, let's go back down to sole ulcers. It's a score 2. She's lame. Now, if I put her as a score 1, then she's a concern. She isn't lame, doesn't go on references. She's a 2. 3, she's very bad for welfare. But anyhow, she's a 2 at the moment. Nothing else really wrong with that foot. So what I'm going to do, with that zone, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to put a little bit of bruising in zone 5 as well. So I'm just going to go up there and put it as a 1. It's only a concern. Now sometimes when I put a block on, I'm going to put a block on this animal, I'll have an issue under the claw, so I'll tap on zone 4 there as well, and I'll just put a little bit of bruising there just for reference. So in the future, if I take the claw off, take the block off, I'll see that I had an issue there, hope it cleared up. I'm not going to put a wooden block on because I put wooden blocks as blue. I'm going to put a rubber block on, so I'm going to tap it again just for invoicing purposes because I charge different prices for blocks. Also going to put a bandage on, and then I want to see this cow again really in, let's say, 2 weeks time. So I'll go down to my comments down here there, and I select on 2 weeks. Also, I'm going to give her a bit of pain relief. Now the comments are all personalised on the site and then downloaded onto the tablet, so you can make these. It's easier than typing out a comment every time. So anything else I want to do? Yes, I think I'm going to talk to the farmer about this, or the herdsman, when I finish the day. So I tap that icon there and I tap the next cow. So now you can see I've done 2 cows, 3 feet. So let's go to 3, 4, 5, and we're going to do a bit of a problem on this. So we've got a little bit there. I've got a bit of limb damage. She's got a big hock. So I'm going to put down big hock first in my comments, which I've already preloaded. Hock damage. Click there. And then I'm also going to score it as well, because she's actually lame on it. So I'm scoring it twice there. That's a limb damage icon. And I think that's all of it I want to do. Oh, I'm going to put a bit of white line there as well. That might be could be causing lameness as well, but it's not. I don't think it's causing lameness, so I'm going to put it down as a 1 just for reference, just so I know in the future. Also on the front foot, I've got a little bit of bruising there. Might as well put that in too, because it's always good just to record the odd little issue that you see, but you don't know whether it's going to be an issue in the future. We're going to put comments as well. No, I don't think I need anything there. And save. Right, now we've saved it. Put 4, 5, 6 in. Nothing wrong with her. Click that so you can see we've got 4 cows, 11 feet. Let's just have a look at reports. This is your printed report that the farmer gets an email, but at the same time you can get as well on the tablet. We don't tend to print that much off. Right, the drop-down box. Herdsman's turned up, and I want to talk to him about 2, 3, 4. She's got a problem, so I'm going to just say, look, 2, 3, 4. I've got a problem on this back left foot. It's in zone 4, and well, it's a sole ulcer, and I do really want to give her an injection. So if you can get that sorted, it'll help her. I also want to see her again in 2 weeks' time. Right, I take off the alert, so then in the drop-down box here, it's no longer in red. So that's me I've talked about. I'm going to do another cow quick before I go. 7, 8, 9. Whoop, whoop, 9, clear one. That's it. Right, nothing wrong with her. Oh, I'm going to do the front left. She's lame. She's chronically lame. She's got necrosis. So anyhow, I'm going to go on the inside claw. She's in zone 1. Didn't realise it until I was just going to let her out. That was the problem with her. So I'm going to put her necrosis down. Zone 4. She's a score 4. She's a cripple. I'm also got it going up the front of the claw as well. I wouldn't say it's that bad going up, but it's a 3. Necrosis. Didn't really see any digital dermatitis on it, but I could have marked it if I want to. I'm going to put a block and a bandage on her. I'm going to put some powder on it as well, just see if I can dry it up and get it right. And also I'm going to ask to see her again next visit, because I better make sure the bandages come off as well. Go on, let's put a comment. Yeah, I'm going to put vet advice below it, because I don't think she's ever going to come right. So I've covered myself there by giving another note about it. Tick on save. Right, we'll do. Don't think there's anything else. Any more cows? No. Right. So we're going to put that ready to go up to the cloud. I'm on the way home now. I've got one more farm just to call in on the way home, like a normal. Just got only one to go there, so I'm going to go to Mr. Finley's. I'm going to do 1 cow there. I better do all 4 feet, so I'm going to pick her up, set the routine as I want to look at the cow's feet. 159 comes in. Tap on there. She's got an ulcer on her back left. Zone 4. 2, it's there. I'm going to put a block and a bandage on it as well. And I really want to see her again, I think, next time. Oh, I'm going to put a bit of salicylic, a bit of powder on it as well to help things. And that's it. Obviously, I'm not going to see her again next time. Must have changed my mind on that one. So that's ready to record as well. So, no. Just tap that one there, and that's it. Away we go. Finish. Right, I'm on the way home. Got home, ready to put it up to the cloud for my customers to see. As you can see, I've got 2 there ready to transfer. 2 to transfer, ready. And now I tap this little icon here. This allows the tablet to send reports up to the cloud, and the cloud to send reports back again. So as you can see now, it's transferring them, and it's updating the customers, and it's updating downloading files as well. Basically, it's all the new information that's on the cloud, so my tablet's updated all the time. And it's finished. So that's it. That's All4 Feet. That's how you tap again. That's how you record on farm. Very, very simple, quick, easy. Basically, just have a go. Get a foot report yourself, what you did last week. Put it on, put all the numbers on, get the feel for it. So before you go out and farm, it'll work a lot easier for you to understand it. Otherwise, if you're on YouTube just watching this video, subscribe to All4 Feet and keep watching the videos. Have a good day.